In the Peruvian Amazon, herpetologists followed a distinctive frog call to one of the rarest habitats in the forest, the Amazon peatlands. There, researchers dug up a new species of burrowing frog, Synapturanus danta. The frog has been nicknamed the tapir frog for its distinctive-looking snout. The species was known to locals but had yet to be described by science. A past study found peatlands in the Peruvian Amazon store 10 times as much carbon as the nearby undisturbed rainforest. A conservation area has been proposed for the region, and researchers say the tapir frog is yet another reason to conserve this peatland and the surrounding area. German Chavez, a researcher at the Peruvian Institute of Herpetology, and colleagues found the small, long-snouted frog during a rapid inventory in Peru, in one of the rarest habitats in the Amazon rainforest, the Amazon peatlands, a boggy wetland thick with decaying plants. The tapir frog's slight body is well suited for burrowing into soft, wet peat. The researchers suspect that it, as well as other burrowing animals, may affect soil and water infiltration, playing important roles in the peatland ecosystem. The team found 1 juvenile and 2 adult frogs on the expedition. These specimens, along with the recording and DNA analysis, were enough to determine that the frog is a species new to science. It has been named Synapturanus danta. Danta is Spanish for tapir, a large rainforest mammal with a unique snout. The herpetologists found the frog while surveying for reptiles and amphibians as part of the Chicago Field Museum's rapid biological and social inventory of the lower Putumayo Basin. During these rapid inventories, biologists and social scientists intensively study and survey an area to learn what species it holds, how locals manage the land, and how to make the case for the area to be better protected. The whirlwind survey included both the forest and the rare peatlands, an often overlooked but important habitat both for wildlife and for climate change. One study found that, hectare for hectare, peatlands in the Peruvian Amazon store 10 times the amount of carbon as nearby undisturbed rainforest. In a typical forest, as trees die and decay, much of the carbon they hold is released back into the atmosphere. However, because peatlands are waterlogged, plants decay slowly and the carbon accumulates as peat. The region is home to many indigenous people, including the people of Peru's Comunidad Nativa Tres Esquinas, who led the researchers to the tapir frog. The species may be new to science, but it was old news to the locals. Currently, the Putumayo River is one of the last free-flowing rivers in the Amazon basin, with no planned or existing dams, making it a critical pathway for wildlife and a source of unrestricted lifeblood for the whole basin. There's a huge conservation opportunity to conserve the whole corridor, watershed and surrounding area, Thompson said. This tapir frog is another piece of evidence of why scientists and local people need to work together to protect this region. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more.